MoneyLion Cash Rewards Credit Card Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get cashback credit cards wrong. They assume rewards are complicated or not worth it. The surprising truth about the MoneyLion Cash Rewards Credit Card is that it simplifies earning cash back and integrates with personal finance tools. And you won't believe how easy it is to track your rewards in real time. Here's how it works. MoneyLion offers a no-annual fee credit card that provides 2% cash back on purchases when redeemed through the MoneyLion app. Users can also earn points toward other financial perks, like loan rate reductions or investment contributions. The app tracks spending, shows rewards, and allows instant redemption, which is uncommon with many traditional credit cards. For example, a regular coffee buyer spending $100 per month could earn $24 back over a year, automatically deposited into their MoneyLion account. Most people get this wrong. They assume cashback cards only matter for big purchases, but even everyday spending adds up over time. Additional features include credit score monitoring, budgeting tools, and integration with MoneyLion's other financial products. Users praise transparency, simplicity, and the ease of redeeming rewards. However, there are considerations. Some rewards are best realized when using the MoneyLion app for redemption, and the card may have lower acceptance internationally compared to major cards. Most people assume cashback cards are all equal, but MoneyLion combines rewards with personal finance tracking. And conclusion, the MoneyLion Cash Rewards credit card is ideal for users seeking a simple, app-integrated way to earn cash back and manage finances in one place. Subscribe for more honest reviews of credit cards and financial services.